Tired of building a select box and lots of individual functions to build Streamlit multi-page apps? To build a multi-page Streamlit app, first I define different Streamlit pages to display in functions. Then I add a select box in the sidebar with all the page names, and for each page I run a different function. Then I will use a custom component to make it look better. Enter native Streamlit multipage. Create a new pages folder and put your Streamlit pages in there as distinct Python scripts. Now all the pages will appear in the sidebar and you can navigate between those pages from the navigation menu or by entering the correct URL. Wow, that's what I needed! I know, so go install Streamlit 1.10 and you'll have access to a lot of other new features like a brand new dataframe widget that may get more interactive in the future, horizontal radio button, user logging information on private deployed apps in the cloud, and rich logging in the cloud, and all for free. And for this video, I want to share you 3 more tips about Streamlit multipage. The pages are sorted in alphabetical order. You can prefix the file names with numbers to display them in numerical order, and the number won't appear in the menu. You can also add emojis to the file names. They'll make 4 pretty cute bullet points in the navigation menu. What? Session state and caching will be shared between pages. If you save some widget output in a page, like this configuration value, and navigate to another page, your value will still be stored in state, and you can read it to run some computation, making this the preferred way to pass values from page to page. In the same vein, define a method with the experimental singleton decorator to cache the return object, and reuse this across the pages to access the same object. A new fast reruns flag was implemented in the last version of Streamlit. It is the perfect performance enhancer for multi-page apps since this will dramatically reduce the time spent rendering a new page. Now sure, there may be things to say about this release, like it's not possible to hide or disable some pages until some certain conditions are met, there's no ability for nested pages, or you cannot change page from inside the code. This is feedback that was already shared with the dev team and they're considering it, and I'd love for the comment section of this video to be a safe space for us to share some feedback to the Streamlit team, so feel free to share some constructive criticism so we can all move this library further as an open source project. In any case, for the more complex multi-page situations, you can still use custom components like Hydralit or Streamlit option menu as workaround. Stay tuned to this channel if you don't want to miss any other Streamlit news or tips, and you may watch this next video for more Streamlit tips. Bye! Why is there no light anymore? Oh.